Good morning, students. Now HS2ndyr mathematics. We are doing integration, and integration we have reached up to definite integral, and definite integral we have done in integration as a limit sum. Now we will do that is next exercises. Already exercise 7.7 maximum part we have done. Now we are going to finish today this exercise. Now question number up to 12 we have done yesterday. Now today we will do exercise 7.9 it is. So today we will do question number 13. It is 2 to 3 x square plus 1 dx. So you see, this is the question. How to do this one? So of course we have one form process, that is we have done in indefinite integral, that is okay, we have to substitute something. Yes, if we put x square plus 1 this as y, so its differentiation twice x dx will be equal to dy. So you see that x dx we can write as dy by 2. Now for x is equal to 2 we get y as 5. Yes, if we put here x is 2, 2 square is 4, 4 plus 1, 5. And if we put x equal to 3, then we get 3 3 are 9 plus 1, 10. So now you see, here limit is from 5 to 10. Numerator x dx is dy by 2, that is half. And denominator is y. So its value is what? Half log modulus y. And we have to put the range. So half will go outside and our value will be log 10 minus log 5. Minus gives, logarithm has formula. It is what? That we have to divide log 10 by log 5. It is the formula. Log m by n is equal to log m minus log n. So automatically it is this. And after cancellation it is this. So half log 2 is your answer. So this is the answer of question number 13. Now we will do question number 14. 0 to 1, 2x plus 3, 5x square plus 1 dx. So when we get this type of things, here you see that we apply our mind. If we differentiate denominator, it will be 10x. So try to isolate this one. 0 to 1, twice x we will write by 5x square plus 1 dx plus 3 dx divided by 5x square plus 1. Now if I write here 5, then automatically it will turn into 10. Now numerator is what? Differentiation of denominator. Then our experience saying, see here also, if this type of things are there, numerator is differentiation of denominator, result will be log modulus of denominator. So here to positive, so this we can write, and yes, we will put the range 0 to 1. Now what about this? Here you take 3 by 5 common, and yes, then it will be dx, and here x square by 5 taken common, so 1 by 5 it will be, so we can write 1 by root 5 whole thing square and 0 to 1. Without substitution we can do these things. So 1 by 5 log, if we put 1 here it is 6. If we put 0, then it will be log 1. Here it is the formula of what? Integration dx by x square plus x square, it is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So it will be 3 by 5 into 1 by this one and tan inverse x by 1 by root 5. So this is our 0 to 1. Log 1 is 0, so we get 1 by 5 log 6. Here 3 by 5 root 5. this one, if you would draw this side, then root 5 will go outside. Then what it will be? Tan inverse, here root 5 goes, so it will give tan inverse root 5 only, because tan inverse 0 is 0. So this is your answer of question number 14. Now we will do question number 15. Here I am trying to do every sum only for that one, that you should get that type of feelings that yes, I and get all the sum. I can able to do all the sum, because this, when you see a one sum in front of you, it is already done, so it will give a better feeling. So 0 to 1. Now here also, if we put here, let x square is equal to y, then twice x dx will be dy. So x dx will be what? Dy by 2. Now for x is equal to 0, y is also 0. For x is equal to 1, y is also 1. So we get what? 0 to 1. And x square is y we have, so it will be e to the power y. X dx is dy by 2, that is half. The integration of e to the power y is integration of e to the power is again e to the power y. So what we get? If we put 1, then it is half e, and if we put 0, then it is 1 only. So ultimately we get half e minus 1 is your answer. So this is answer of question number 15. Now 16. Integration 1 to 2 5x square dx, and denominator is x square plus 4x plus 3. Here one thing we will do, if we want to differentiate this one, x square plus 4x plus 3, if we differentiate, then it will twice x plus 4 will come. Keep only on this mind. Now again another thing we want to do. Here, if we divide this numerator by denominator, then 5 will take common x square plus 4x plus 3 you write first. Yes, we can write, and at a time you can subtract 4x minus 3, 4 plus 3 dx. So what I have done, here 5 I have taken common, x square remain. Then 4x plus 3 I have added, and again at the same time I have deducted 4x plus 3. Then what will be there? 1 to 2. This will give 1, and this one is 4x plus 3. And at a time you concentrate this on this, we can write as x plus 1, x plus 3. We can able to factorize the denominator. Yes, then 5 integration 1 to 2 dx minus 5 integration 1 to 2 4x plus 3. Now how to do this one 4x plus 3? We have to use our that process, integration partial fraction, that is 4x plus 3 by x plus 1 into x plus 3. You think this one is a by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 3. Then after simplification we will get 4x plus 3 is equal to a x plus 3 plus b x plus 1. This is our that integration partial fraction we have done. Now for x is equal to minus 1. If we put minus 1, this will give minus 1 only. This will give twice a, and this will 0. So a becomes what? A is minus half. If we put x is equal to minus 3, then it is 3 4 12, 12 minus 3 is minus 9. This will be 0. This is minus twice a, twice b, sorry. So b becomes 9 by 2. Now we will apply here, that is a by x plus 1, that is minus half dx by x plus 1 and 9 by 2 dx by, better dx you write outside because we have still now not isolated dx. So we are at the end of this one. This is 5x 1 2 2 5. Here half you take log modulus x plus 1. Here you will get 1 2 2. Here again minus, then 45 by 2 log x plus 3 1 by 1 to 2. So now we do here from this step, if we want to write 5 into 10 minus 5, this is our first part, this one. Second part, minus 5 by 2 log 2, if we put 3 minus log 1 plus 1, that is 2, so we can write this one minus 45 by 2. Here you see, if we put here, then it is log 5 minus log 4, so s minus, so we can write this one. So this is our answer, and little modification we can do, simplification, that will give log 3 by 2 minus 45 by 2 log 5 by 4. Okay, with this we have completed our this sum also. This is question number 16 also we have finished. Now we will do question number 17. Question number 17 is integration 0 to pi by 4 2 sec square x plus x cube plus 2 dx. It is very simple sum. Of course, we can directly use our procedure, and procedure means we can directly integrate and then write sec square x, it is integration is 10x, x cube integration is x to the power 4 by 4, integration of 2, that is only twice x, whole thing 0 to pi by 4, that much only. So if we put pi by 4, that is 45 here, 10 45 to 1. If we put here, then it is pi to the power 4, and here 4 to the power 4, 4 4 just 16, 16 16 jar 256, 256 into 4 will give 1024 plus pi by 2. If we put 0, all will 0. So this is your answer of question number 17. Very easy sum. If you want to do 1 mark, maybe 1 mark questions answer question it is. Now question number 18. 0 to 180 sin square x by 2 minus cos square x by 2 dx. So we have one formula, that is cos twice theta is cos square theta minus sin square theta. Cos square theta minus square theta. But if we write here minus sin square theta minus cos square theta, then it will be cos twice theta minus cos twice theta. Yes, so we can write here sin square, suppose it is theta, sin square theta minus cos square theta. So our answer will be minus cos x only. Simple one, looking to odd, but here so it is simple one. Now integration of cos x is sin x. It is 0 to pi. Pi is 180. Sin 180 is 0. And sin 0 is 0. So 0 minus 0 is 0 here. So with that it is finished. Now it is question number 19. So 19 we are going to do. It is integration 0 to 2 6x plus 3 x square plus 4. So here one thing you see that if we want to differentiate x square plus 4, then it will be twice x only. So we can write this one 0 to 2 6x x square plus 4 dx plus integration 0 to 2 3 dx x square plus 4. 6 we can write 3 here, 2 here. Now clearly numerator is differentiation of denominator. Our experience said if numerator is differentiation of denominator, then its integration is logarithm of this denominator only. So it will be 3 log x square plus 4 and it is 0 to 2. Now if we take 3 outside, 4 can be written as 2 square. Integration of dx by x square plus s square. So its value will be tan inverse 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So we will write it is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Now to put the values, if we put 2 then it is 4 plus 4 8. If we put 0 then it is 4. And log 8 minus log 4, that is log 8 by 4. Okay, we will do it next time. And if we put 2, then it is tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse 0. So this will be 3 log 8 by 4, that is log 2. 3 by 2. Tan inverse 1 means tan pi by 4, that is 4 and 2, 8. Tan inverse 0 is 0. So this is your answer. That is question number 19 it is. So this is the answer of this one, question number 19. Now question number 20. 20 it is integration 0 to 1 x e to the power x plus sine pi x by 4 whole thing dx. So here, when we get this type of sum, this, of course, integration by parts we have to use. X integration e to the power x dx minus d dx of x integration e to the power x dx whole thing dx, and limit is 0 to 1. Now integration of this one, integration of sine always gives cos pi x by 4. But as x is multiplied with pi by 4, its reciprocal you have to write. It is 4 by pi. Then 0 to 1. Integration of e to the power x is e to the power x. Integration, differentiation of x is 1. This is e to the power x again. And whole integration is again e to the power x. 0 to 1. If I put 1 here, then it is 4 by pi cos pi by 4. If we put 0, then it is cos 0. Here, if we put 1 in place of x, then it is e minus e. Minus, if we put 0, then it is 0 minus e to the power 0 is 1. Pi by 4 by pi. Cos 45, it is 1 by root 2. And cos 0 is 1. So ultimately we get here only 1. This one, after little simplification, it will give 4 root 2 pi plus 4 by pi. So this is our answer of question number 20. Now only question number 21, 22, these are optional only. I will just give that hints how to do this one. 21, you will find they said only to 1 to root 3 dx by 1 plus x square. What will be the answer? It is the directly we can write. It is what? Formula of tan inverse x 1 root 3. Tan inverse root 3 is 60 degree. It is pi by 3. Tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. If I take LCM 12, then it is pi by 4, 5 by 12. So answer is D. Answer is option D. If I do 22, that is integration 0 to 2 by 3, 1, that is dx by 4 plus 9x square. If I take here 9 common, 0 to 2 by 3, then you will find dx by, this can be written as x square, and here 2 by 3 whole thing square. It is again tan inverse formula, 1 by 9, and 1 by a is, will give 2 by 3, this is 1, tan inverse, x by 2 by 3, 0 to 2 by 3. 1 by 9. If we put here 2 by 3, tan inverse 1, this will give 45, and if we put 0, then it is 0. So ultimately we get pi by 36, then is it 36? So as it is, I think it is 2 by 3. So 2 by 3, I think here we have to write. It is 2, it is 3 only. So 3 3s are 9, 1 by 6 only. So it is 24. So our option is, option C is correct. C is given 5 by 4. So with that, we end our exercise 7.9. So students, you have to practice all these things. I am finishing it, is does that means that you are expert. You do same sum again in your own copy and try to understand what I have said. If doubt, you can ask me. Now another thing, you give your attendance in your comment box. If your attendance is less than 80%, you cannot sit in the final exam. That much for today.